Ever wondered how those sleek point-of-sale systems in your favorite shops and restaurants actually make money? I'm talking about the ones that handle everything from ringing up sales to managing inventory, sometimes even taking online orders. We see them everywhere. But have you ever stopped to think about the business behind the technology? Today, we're diving deep into one of the major players in this space, Lightspeed. We're going to unpack their business model and answer the question, how does Lightspeed make money? Lightspeed is a global commerce platform that provides cloud-based software to businesses. Think of them as a one-stop shop for all the tech a modern business needs to operate efficiently. They cater to a wide range of industries, from retail and restaurants to golf courses and e-commerce stores. They're not just selling a piece of software. They're offering a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline operations and boost sales. Now, before we jump into the specifics of their revenue streams, it's important to understand the landscape they operate in. The point-of-sale (POS) market is booming. Businesses of all sizes are increasingly relying on technology to manage their operations, especially with the rise of e-commerce and the increasing demand for seamless customer experiences. This creates a huge opportunity for companies like Lightspeed. They're not just competing with other POS providers. They're also competing with more traditional, often outdated systems. This means they need to offer a compelling value proposition to attract and retain customers. So, how does Lightspeed actually make money in this competitive market? They employ several key strategies, and it's the combination of these strategies that makes their business model so effective. Let's break them down one by one. First and foremost, Lightspeed operates on a subscription-based model. This is the core of their revenue generation. Businesses subscribe to their platform on a monthly or annual basis, paying a recurring fee to access and use the software. Think of it like subscribing to a streaming service. You pay a monthly fee to access their library of movies and TV shows. With Lightspeed, businesses pay a fee to access their suite of business tools. These subscription plans are tiered, meaning they offer different levels of features and functionality at different price points. A small boutique might opt for a basic plan with essential POS features, while a large multi-location restaurant chain might need a more advanced plan with integrated inventory management, table management, and loyalty programs. This tiered structure allows Lightspeed to cater to a wide range of businesses, from small startups to large enterprises, maximizing their potential customer base. The beauty of the subscription model is its recurring revenue stream. It provides Lightspeed with a predictable and stable income, which is crucial for long-term growth and investment. Instead of relying on one-off sales, they have a consistent flow of revenue coming in regularly, allowing them to forecast their finances and plan for future development. But subscriptions are just one piece of the puzzle. Lightspeed also generates revenue through payment processing. This is a significant revenue driver for them. When a customer makes a purchase using a credit or debit card through the Lightspeed POS system, Lightspeed processes that transaction and takes a small percentage of the transaction value as a fee. This is often referred to as interchange or payment processing fees. This payment processing revenue is incredibly valuable because it's directly tied to the volume of transactions flowing through their platform. The more sales their customers make, the more revenue Lightspeed generates from payment processing. This creates a symbiotic relationship. Lightspeed's success is directly linked to the success of their customers. Beyond subscriptions and payment processing, Lightspeed also offers a range of add-on services and hardware that contribute to their revenue. These can include things like advanced reporting and analytics tools, customer relationship management, CRM, features, e-commerce integrations, and even hardware like barcode scanners, receipt printers, and POS terminals. These add-ons provide businesses with even more functionality and customization options, allowing them to tailor the Lightspeed platform to their specific needs. And for Lightspeed, these add-ons represent an additional revenue stream, further diversifying their income and increasing their profitability. Think about it, a restaurant might subscribe to a basic POS plan, but then decide to add on table management software and integrated online ordering. A retailer might subscribe to a retail POS plan and then add on e-commerce integration to expand their online presence. These add-ons not only enhance the customer experience but also contribute significantly to Lightspeed's bottom line. Another area where Lightspeed generates revenue is through partnerships and integrations. They integrate with a wide range of third-party apps and services, such as accounting software, marketing platforms, and loyalty programs. These integrations allow businesses to seamlessly connect their Lightspeed system with other tools they use, creating a more integrated and efficient workflow. In some cases, Lightspeed may receive a commission or referral fee for these integrations, further contributing to their revenue. Finally, Lightspeed also generates revenue from professional services. This can include things like onboarding and training for new customers, custom software development, and technical support. While these services might not be their primary revenue driver, they play an important role in customer satisfaction and retention. By providing high-quality support and training, Lightspeed can ensure that their customers are getting the most out of their platform, leading to longer-term relationships and reduced churn. So, let's recap. Lightspeed's revenue streams can be broadly categorized into subscriptions, recurring fees for access to their software platform, payment processing, percentage of transaction value from customer purchases, add-on services and hardware, sales of additional features and hardware, partnerships and integrations, commissions or referral fees from third-party integrations, professional services, fees for onboarding, training, and support. It's this diversified approach to revenue generation that makes Lightspeed's business model so robust. They're not relying on a single source of income. They have multiple streams flowing in, which helps to mitigate risk and ensure long-term sustainability. Now, it's important to remember that Lightspeed operates in a highly competitive market. They're constantly innovating and expanding their offerings to stay ahead of the curve. They're investing in research and development, acquiring other companies, and expanding into new markets to fuel their growth. The POS market is constantly evolving, and Lightspeed needs to adapt and innovate to maintain its competitive edge. They also face challenges such as competition from other POS providers, the need to constantly update their technology, and the pressure to keep their pricing competitive. However, by focusing on their core strengths, a comprehensive platform, a strong subscription model, and a diversified revenue-based Lightspeed is well-positioned for continued success in the rapidly growing world of commerce technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.